Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Please be seated. Shakti.
Thank you.
नाम तो बहुत पावरफुल है भाई आपका. You have a powerful name, right? The UP government is trying to, turn around the economy of Eastern Uttar Pradesh. What steps are being taken for that? You can take any sector or as you want.
If you look at the eastern Uttar Pradesh, it is basically an agricultural economy. In order to take care of the agriculture, the government has taken certain initiatives like development of the agriculture export hubs. It has been developed in Varanasi. The focus has also been on the FPIs, that is the food processing industry. Apart from that, recently the government has also started focusing on building infrastructure in the region through various expressways, etc., to increase the connectivity so as to improve the employment in the region. Apart from that, the third and the major thing is the tourism sector that the government has been focusing on.
Can you elaborate on that tourism sector?
Now, if we talk about the tourism sector, especially the Uttar Pradesh is known for the spiritual tourism or the religious tourism. Focus has been on development of various corridors. For example, the Kashi Vishwanath corridor was there. Apart from that, recently inauguration of the Ram temple that was there. Allahabad, or Prayagraj, which is known for the Kumbh Mela. There have been investment by the government for the Kumbh Mela that is set to be there in 2025, the Mahakumbh. And there has also been focus on other like Ramayan circuit, Mahabharat circuit, etc. so as to improve the tourism in the region.
What is there for Mahabharat circuit in UP?
Sorry, ma'am, it was the Buddhist circuit.
Buddhist circuit and Ramayan circuit.
Ramayan circuit.
Right.